The Makita multifunction weeding attachment is your go-to solution for efficient gardening. Designed to attach seamlessly to Makita power heads, it tackles weeds and overgrowth with precision and ease. Its sturdy build and ergonomic design reduce strain, making extended use a breeze. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for tight spaces and demanding tasks. Whether you're maintaining a backyard or managing a landscaping project, this tool guarantees consistent performance. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it transforms tedious gardening tasks into simple ones. Experience top-tier efficiency with this must-have attachment. Revolutionize pruning with the Makita 18-volt brushless pruning shears. These shears combine sharp precision blades with a powerful brushless motor for smooth cuts through branches up to 25 millimeters thick. Lightweight and ergonomic, they're perfect for extended use without fatigue. The cordless design offers mobility, while the long-lasting battery ensures you finish the job uninterrupted. From orchards to home gardens, these shears are built for performance and durability. With every cut, you'll appreciate the precision and speed only Makita can deliver. Make pruning effortless and efficient today. Power on the go is effortless with the Makita Direct Connect Inverter power supply. This compact unit delivers up to 300 watts of AC power, compatible with Makita's trusted battery platforms. Whether you're running tools, charging devices, or lighting up a job site, this inverter provides clean and consistent power. Lightweight and portable, it's an excellent companion for remote work or outdoor adventures. Built for reliability, it ensures you're never left in the dark. Stay powered wherever your tasks take you with this game-changing inverter. Cleaning large spaces has never been easier than with the Makita VS001G 40-volt Max Vacuum Sweeper. Designed for heavy-duty use, it combines exceptional suction power with quiet operation. The advanced filtration system traps dust and debris, keeping your environment spotless. Its cordless convenience and ergonomic handle make maneuvering a breeze. Powered by a long-lasting 40-volt battery, it's ready to tackle tough messes without slowing down. Whether in workshops, construction sites, or homes, this sweeper redefines cleaning efficiency and convenience. Demolition tasks become effortless with the Makita HM004G cordless breaker. Powered by 40-volt Max XGT technology, this breaker delivers immense force to tackle concrete and masonry jobs with ease. The anti-vibration handle enhances comfort, while the brushless motor ensures peak performance and minimal maintenance. Its portable design brings corded power to a cordless platform, offering unmatched flexibility on job sites. From breaking up driveways to heavy-duty renovations, this breaker is built to deliver. Makita brings power, portability, and precision to demolition. Transporting heavy loads is a breeze with the Makita LXT Wheelbarrow DCU 601. Powered by dual 18-volt LXT batteries, this wheelbarrow offers up to 130 kilograms of hauling capacity. Its variable speed control ensures safe and smooth operation, even on uneven terrain. The sturdy frame and pneumatic tires provide stability, making it perfect for construction sites, gardens, and farms. With a runtime of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, you can tackle large projects without interruption. Say goodbye to manual lifting and let this innovative wheelbarrow do the heavy lifting for you. Light up your workspaces with the Makita ML007G XGT flashlight. This 40-volt Max cordless flashlight delivers ultra-bright illumination with multiple brightness settings. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the adjustable head allows for versatile lighting angles. The robust construction ensures durability, even in tough job site conditions. With a long-lasting battery life, this flashlight is your reliable companion for nighttime projects or emergency situations. Compact, powerful, and versatile, it's a must-have tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Achieve precision woodworking with the Makita 40-volt Max Brushless 1-2-inch router. This advanced tool combines power and control, delivering smooth cuts for intricate designs and large projects alike. Its brushless motor ensures maximum efficiency and durability, while the variable speed control adapts to different materials. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, and the plunge base offers versatility for various applications. Cordless convenience paired with professional-grade performance makes this router an essential tool for carpenters and woodworkers. Unleash your creativity with Makita's cutting-edge router technology. Stay cool and comfortable on the job with the Makita Cordless Fan DCF 203. Designed for portability, this fan is lightweight and battery-powered, offering hours of cooling wherever you need it. It features 3 speed settings to customize airflow, along with an adjustable head for targeted cooling. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, or outdoor projects, this fan delivers powerful performance in a compact design. The quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, making it ideal for any environment. Experience the convenience of Makita's innovative cooling solution. Tackle drilling and driving tasks effortlessly with the Makita Cordless Hammer Driver Drill. Equipped with a brushless motor, this drill delivers high torque and extended runtime, perfect for demanding applications. The ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort during prolonged use. With multiple speed settings and a hammer function, it's versatile enough to handle wood, metal, and masonry. Its robust construction guarantees durability on tough job sites. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this drill is a game changer for your toolkit. Power through demolition tasks with the Makita Cordless Demolition Hammer, JHM001G. Powered by the 40-volt Max XGT platform, it delivers exceptional impact energy for breaking concrete and other tough materials. The anti-vibration handle minimizes user fatigue, while the cordless design enhances mobility on job sites. Built for durability, it withstands the toughest environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. Perfect for construction and renovation projects, this hammer combines power and convenience like never before. Take on any demolition challenge with ease using this Makita powerhouse. Keep your workspace clean with the Makita DAS 180-18-volt LXT dust blower. Compact yet powerful, this blower is ideal for removing dust, debris, and leaves from hard-to-reach areas. The variable speed control allows precise airflow adjustment, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. Cordless and lightweight, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether cleaning workbenches or clearing garden paths, this tool delivers unmatched efficiency. Maintain a tidy workspace effortlessly with this versatile Makita blower. Experience advanced cleaning with the Makita Upright Vacuum VC010G. Designed for commercial and home use, this vacuum offers powerful suction and an advanced filtration system to tackle dirt and debris. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, while the cordless convenience enhances mobility. The long-lasting battery and durable construction make it a reliable choice for extended cleaning sessions. Whether in offices, workshops, or homes, this vacuum combines efficiency and performance to deliver spotless results. Drill through tough materials with ease using the Makita HR009G 40-volt Max XGT brushless rotary hammer. Powered by Makita's advanced 40V Max XGT platform, it delivers impressive impact energy for fast and efficient drilling. The anti-vibration handle and lightweight design ensure comfort during extended use. Perfect for concrete, masonry, and metal, this rotary hammer offers unmatched versatility. With its brushless motor, you get longer tool life and consistent performance. Take on challenging projects with confidence using this Makita marvel. Enjoy hot beverages on the go with the Makita DKT 360-18-volt Kettle LXT. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, this cordless kettle boils water quickly and efficiently. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for job sites, camping trips, or outdoor events. The durable construction ensures it withstands rugged use, while the safety features prevent overheating. Whether you need coffee, tea, or hot water for meals, This kettle is a convenient solution for any situation. Automate cleaning with the Makita DRC 300 PT Smart Robotic Vacuum. Designed for industrial and commercial spaces, it features advanced navigation and a brushless motor for efficient performance. The dual 18-volt LXT batteries provide extended runtime, while the HEPA filter ensures clean air. Capable of handling large areas, this robotic vacuum tackles dust and debris with precision. Programmable and user-friendly, it's a game-changer for maintaining cleanliness effortlessly. Save time and effort with Makita's innovative cleaning solution. Simplify lubrication tasks with the Makita 18-volt LXT Grease Gun XPG01. This cordless grease gun delivers high pressure for efficient application, making it ideal for heavy machinery and automotive maintenance. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the variable speed trigger offers precise control. Its long-lasting battery and compact size make it perfect for on-the-go use. From workshops to construction sites, this grease gun ensures smooth operation and extended equipment life. Power up your tools with the Makita Portable Power Pack PDC 1200. This high-capacity power source is compatible with Makita's cordless tools, providing extended runtime for demanding applications. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's designed for easy portability. Ideal for remote job sites, it ensures uninterrupted work without relying on traditional power sources. With its durable construction and impressive battery capacity, this power pack is a must-have for professionals. Experience the freedom of cordless power like never before. Illuminate your workspaces with the Makita ML009G cordless work light. Featuring a 40-volt Max XGT battery, this light offers powerful brightness and adjustable angles for versatile use. Its rugged construction ensures durability, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Perfect for construction sites, workshops, or outdoor tasks, this work light delivers reliable illumination in any condition. Stay productive and safe with Makita's innovative lighting solution. Achieve smooth and precise finishes with the Makita KP001G 40-volt Max XGT planer. Powered by advanced XGT technology, this planer delivers unmatched performance for woodworking projects. Its powerful motor ensures consistent and deep cuts, while the ergonomic design provides exceptional control and comfort. The cordless convenience allows seamless movement around your workspace, and the precision depth adjustment ensures accuracy for every cut. Built for durability and efficiency, it's perfect for furniture making, carpentry, and construction tasks. Transform rough surfaces into polished perfection with this top-tier Makita planer. Organize your tools effortlessly with the Makita MacTrack Medium Toolbox. This durable and spacious toolbox is designed to keep your gear secure and accessible. Its robust construction ensures it withstands tough environments, while the modular design allows stacking with other MacTrack boxes. The convenient handle and sturdy latches provide ease of transport and security on the go. Whether you're at the job site or storing tools at home, this toolbox is an essential companion. Stay organized and ready for any task with Makita's reliable storage solution. Enhance your fastening efficiency with the Makita E0 1345 Impact XPS Mag Boost. This innovative accessory delivers powerful magnetic hold, keeping screws and bits firmly in place for precise and speedy applications. Compatible with most impact drivers and drills, it's perfect for professional and DIY use alike. Its durable design withstands high torque applications, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're assembling furniture or working on construction projects, this Mag Boost simplifies your work and saves time. Elevate your toolkit with Makita's game-changing accessory. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.